In northern Uganda, in a village called Ogle, hope is quietly rising. I see it in the eyes of children chasing each other down dusty roads, in mothers carrying little ones with courage that defies the distance to the nearest clinic. Here, illness can mean hours of walking. Here, too many have waited for help that never arrived in time. But something is changing. 50 years ago, Dr. John LaNoue heard a calling, a whisper that turned into a life's mission. He left behind comfort to serve the forgotten, driven by faith and love. His legacy isn't just a story, it's a living, breathing movement of compassion. Now that legacy is about to take its most tangible form yet, the Dr. John L. LaNoue Health Centre. Imagine a place in Ogle where emergency care, diagnostic services and maternal health aren't dreams, but daily realities. This centre will be more than walls and equipment. It will be the hands and heart of Christ, reaching out with healing and hope. Inside, skilled nurses and a resident doctor will welcome each patient. There'll be lab tests, ultrasounds, vital medicines, services once out of reach, now right here in the community. And it will all be at a cost families can afford. But it's not just about medical care. It's about restoring dignity. It's about sharing love and making every person feel seen, valued and cared for, just as God calls us to do. Now, I want to invite you, yes, you, into this story. We need you to help build this legacy. Every gift, no matter the size, will lay stones of hope and open doors to healing. Picture a future where children wave outside the health centre, where every mother knows her baby can get help, where faith and compassion transform lives. I'm asking you to join us. Be the hands and heart of Christ in Uganda. Together, let's build this hope. Let's build healing in His name.